looks like. I need some new wiper blades. So our Jeep's got the simple J-hook design. All we gotta do is press this button. It should slide right out, and we'll slide this back in right here. Lift this baby out. Boom. Right. And then the simple boop. All with one hand. Take that out. Slides right out. Look at that. Little tidbit information here. The driver's side is 22 inches of wiper blade, 22-inch wiper blade, and the passenger side is a 21. Oh, way better. That is how you change the wiper blades on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This should be applied to 2011 and up Jeep Grand Cherokees. Now they are a J-hook design. All we had to do is open this OEM little hatch door and then push it down and it releases. It's pretty simple, just that's how to remove it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.